In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave contact group in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, starting from a simple Google search, and I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few fixes if something doesn't look the same on your screen. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook site from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, continue with your usual account and you'll land in your mailbox. The interface can vary slightly, but the steps are the same. Next, look to the left sidebar for the People icon. It resembles two silhouettes and opens your contacts and directory. If your sidebar is minimized, hover to expand it, or click the app launcher if you don't see People right away. Once you're in the People area, select Go to Groups at the top. That takes you to a page listing all the groups you're a member of. Find the group you want to leave and click it to open the group home. This is where you see the group's conversations, files, and members. In the upper right corner, click the gear icon to open the group's settings. In the Settings panel, choose Leave Group, then confirm when Outlook asks you to proceed. After you leave, you'll stop receiving that group's emails and event invitations, and you'll lose access to its shared files and conversations. Anything that already reached your mailbox stays in your mailbox, but new group activity won't come to you. If the group is open or an owner invites you again, you can rejoin later. There is one important exception. If you are currently an owner of the contact group, Outlook will require that another owner be in place before you can leave. To handle this, open the group's member list, pick a trusted member, and promote them to owner. Once the role change is saved, return to the gear icon, select Leave Group, and confirm. This keeps the group manageable for the rest of the members. A few quick tips if something looks different. Make sure you're in the People section and not Mail. That's where the group's list appears. If the Leave option doesn't show up, try refreshing the page or reopening the group. In some organizations, group membership is controlled by policy, so you may need an administrator's help. That's it. Search for Outlook, open the site, go to the People icon, click, go to Groups, select your group, open the gear, and choose Leave Group. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you clean up your groups and reduce inbox noise.